So what I want to do tonight, guys, is talk about the difference between an upgraded member in So Many Hits and a free member, just so that we'll get a clear understanding of the difference and what the benefits are. So I'm just going to lose my image here on the screen, and we're going to log into what is actually my dummy account, if you like. I set this up just so that I could show people what an account would look like as a free member, because I have actually personally upgraded. So we're going to log in here, and this is how an account would look as a free member. Now I've set up a few campaigns here, and this is one of the differences. So there's really just two main differences. One is the control that you have over your links in a campaign, and the second is the amount of commissions that you can earn as an upgraded member. So we're going to have a look at that first, and I'm sure you've all seen this, how it all works, and we're going to go to making lots of money. That's what we're here for, basically. And I can just zoom in on this screen and show you that this is the compensation plan, obviously. And what it says here is, as a free member, anytime a member in any of your traffic lines tops up their account, depending on the period they top up for, you will either earn $4, $8, $12, or $20. As a pro member, so that is actually as a free member, those are your earnings potentials as a free member when someone upgrades in one of your traffic lines. But as a pro member, so in other words, as an upgraded member yourself, if you upgrade yourself, then instead of getting $4, $8, $12, and $20, you're going to get $10, $20, $30, and $50. So it's quite a big difference there. Basically, you get 60% of the available commission if you're upgraded, and you get 40% of the available commission if you're not. What happens to the other 60% that free members could have earned if only they topped up their accounts? Well, as a free member, anytime a member in any of your traffic lines tops up their account, you will get 40% of the commission. The other 60% will go to the first pro member in your upline as a second tier commission of either $6, $12, $18, or $30. So when you're a pro member, not only do you get higher commissions yourselves from your direct referrals, but you can get this second tier commission as well over and above your own commissions as well. So there really is some great benefits towards being a pro member. And to become a pro member, all you do is you go to top up account, and here you see obviously big sign that says top up, and then you can choose over what period you want to have your top up to run for. So if you want a 60 days worth of top up, it's $27. If you want 180 days, it's $69. 1 year is $121, and 2 years $177. So these are one-off figures. So basically you can get discounts for the more period that you want to purchase or top up for. So as you probably appreciate, with a $27 top up, all you need is 3 commissions to come in from a $10 upgraded affiliate. So for example, if as a pro member, you will earn $10 per upgraded referral. So it only takes 3 of those and you're in profit. So that's one benefit. That's one very obvious benefit of topping up your account. The other benefit is how your tracking links work. And we're going to look at that. So we're going to go to campaign stats. And as you can see, these are campaigns that I've set up. So here I have another viral lead capture system. This one happens to be called a really simple system. And if you like information about this one is also free and also offers commissions to free members. So we're going to log in here, and we're going to get our referral link. And this is a business that we're going to promote through So Many Hits using the tracking system. So I'm going to pick up my affiliate referral link. I'm going to go back to So Many Hits. We're going to click the plus button up here where it says add new campaign. We're going to call it really simple system. Paste the link, and before we actually hit the button to create the campaign, which will give us our shortened link, there are some options here as a pro member. So when you look at these, you'll see it says as a pro member or pro feature, you can determine how long you want that link to last for. Also, as a pro member or as a pro feature, you can mask this URL as well, which just simply means that you can hide the true destination address of your browser. It also has the benefit of displaying your SoManyHits.com affiliate link on the site that you are tracking. So that's a feature that's not available if you're a free member. Likewise, no ad gateway. Checking this box sends visitors directly to the destination URL without showing a sponsor ad. So this feature is available to Pro members. So again, if you're not a Pro member, you won't be able to take advantage of that feature. So that leaves us with this selection here, where you've got the choice between an interstitial ad, a pop-under ad. You can disable that altogether, and those are the 2 Pro features, which again, as a free member, you won't have any choice about. So we're going to create this campaign and just see what we mean by an interstitial ad. So as we create the campaign, we get our shortened link. This link will enable us to track what's happening with this particular link, how many clicks we get on it, and so forth. And we can take that a stage further if we want to. We can actually add extra parts to this link. So this is the same link here as the one that we looked up, as we copied up here. It's exactly the same link. But here, I can add whatever appendix I want to add to it. So in other words, I could put on there Facebook. I could even put on their Facebook group. So if I want to just put this link into a specific Facebook page, I could add that name there, or if I want to put it into a group, I can add Facebook group. I can even add something that will tell me which group I put it into. Bear in mind that you get the capability of adding up to 10 extra characters. So how many have we got here actually? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So actually that's not going to work because that's more than 10. So what we'll do is we'll abbreviate that down to FB group. So that's a total of 7 letters. And we can then copy that. It tells us that it's copied. And we can then start promoting that. And when somebody clicks on that link, they'll be taken to the site that we want them to go to, and they'll be presented with this option first, which means that we are promoting so many hits. So you might get people joining your business, the so many hits business, with this particular screenshot or this particular screen that's presented. And they're also able then to simply click through to continue to your advert. So my website that I'm trying to promote actually now pops up and people can read the ad that I posted. But what has also happened is that in the background here is a sponsor ad. So this is what's described as a pop-under. So this is an ad that your sponsor, or one of your sponsors, one of your upline, has added into the system as well, and they randomly get shown each time you promote your link. So when you're promoting your link, once you've done the shortening, that interstitial ad is what that's describing. It's that second pop-up screen that will come up that will promote your sponsor's ad. It means that you are promoting your upline as well as yourself, and you're limiting the amount of commission that you can earn. So now let's look at what happens as a Pro member, an upgraded member, and we're going to go to my main account, and straight away you can see I've got lots of links in here, and so as a Pro member I get much more information about each of these links. Let's take this one here. It's got 60 odd hits on it, and I can see exactly how many hits I've had over the course of time, and I can click on these and get even more information. So I can go back over all time and it will tell me which link is clicked, and it might even tell me where it's been clicked, so depending on what appendix I've added to it. So that's one benefit, and of course the other benefit is commissions, and you can see that I've earned some commissions there. Some are from my direct referrals, and others are those second tier commissions that have come up to me from those members of my downline who are promoting, who are earning commissions. They're earning less commission. They're earning $4 per commission payment. I'm earning the $6, and so that's the advantage that I get from being a Pro member. So there you go. I hope that clears things up a little bit. The one thing that I will show you, of course, is if I do go to my tracking links and I copy one of my links here, take this for example, and paste it into a browser, it simply goes straight to the ad that I've copied. And there we go. That's actually promoting so many hits, and it's promoting it on a different website, but nothing pops up underneath the previous one. So I have complete control over that. And if I go back to the account and I go to edit, you'll see that I've got it set up somewhat differently. I've got no ad gateway. I've got pop under ad choice for this one. And there are other choices I could make. I've got a deadline, which I could determine how long the ad plays for. And so I have full control over that now as a premium member. So there you go. That's the difference. So I'd encourage you to top up your accounts and start earning more money. There you go. Hope that's helpful.